In a world increasingly focused on sustainability and eco-friendly practices, handcrafted wooden furniture and decor made from reclaimed wood stands out as a remarkable choice for enhancing both residential and commercial spaces. By choosing reclaimed wood, consumers contribute to reducing waste and environmental impact while investing in one-of-a-kind pieces that add warmth and personality to their surroundings. The warm tones and textures of wood create inviting atmospheres, making spaces feel more welcoming and comfortable. In commercial environments, such as restaurants, reclaimed wood can enhance the dining experience, fostering an ambience that encourages patrons to linger. Similarly, in conference halls, wooden furniture promotes professionalism while also providing a calming environment conducive to collaboration and creativity. As the demand for unique and sustainable products grows, handcrafted wooden furniture and decor made from reclaimed wood emerges as a timeless and responsible choice for discerning consumers. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with our latest content, be sure to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends and family. Your support helps us create more engaging and informative content that you love. We appreciate every like and subscription, as it motivates us to bring you even more exciting topics in the future. Don't forget to stay tuned until the end of the video, as we have some special insights and tips that you won't want to miss. Your engagement means the world to us, and we are thrilled to have you as part of our community. Thank you for watching, and let's dive right in. In an era where sustainability is paramount, handcrafted wooden furniture and decor made from reclaimed wood offers a unique and eco-friendly solution for enhancing living spaces. Utilizing scrap wood not only reduces waste, but also gives new life to materials that carry a story. Each piece of furniture showcases the natural beauty and character of the wood, making it a conversation starter in any home or business. The charm of reclaimed wood lies in its imperfections. The knots, grains, and varied textures create a distinctive aesthetic that modern mass-produced items simply cannot replicate. One of the primary advantages of using wooden products in home decor is their versatility. Wooden furniture can seamlessly fit into various design styles, from rustic and farmhouse to contemporary and minimalist. This adaptability allows homeowners to create a cohesive look throughout their spaces, whether it's a cozy living room, a tranquil bedroom, or a vibrant dining area. Additionally, wooden decor items such as wall art, shelves, and centerpieces add warmth and depth to interior spaces, making them feel more inviting and comfortable. In restaurants, the use of reclaimed wood can elevate the dining experience. Wooden tables and chairs not only provide durability, but also create a warm and welcoming atmosphere that encourages guests to linger. The organic textures of wood can complement various culinary themes, from farm-to-table concepts to upscale dining experiences. Furthermore, incorporating wooden decor elements like signage, wall panels, and decorative accents can enhance the restaurant's brand identity, making it memorable for patrons. Conference halls and meeting spaces benefit greatly from the inclusion of wooden furniture and decor. High-quality wood products such as conference tables, podiums, and seating arrangements not only convey professionalism, but also promote a sense of calm and focus. The natural properties of wood can help reduce noise and create a more conducive environment for discussions and presentations. Additionally, wooden accents, such as wall panels or decorative screens, can add sophistication and warmth, transforming a sterile meeting room into an inviting space that fosters creativity and collaboration. Another significant advantage of reclaimed wood furniture is its durability. Unlike many modern materials, reclaimed wood is often denser and more resilient due to its age and exposure to the elements. This makes it an ideal choice for high-traffic areas, whether in a home, restaurant, or conference hall. Well-crafted wooden furniture can withstand the test of time, providing not only aesthetic value, but also long-lasting functionality. Sustainability is at the forefront of consumer preferences today, and choosing reclaimed wood products aligns with environmentally conscious living. By investing in handcrafted furniture and decor, consumers support eco-friendly practices that minimize deforestation and reduce carbon footprints. This ethical choice resonates with many individuals and businesses looking to make a positive impact on the environment while enhancing their spaces. Moreover, handcrafted wooden furniture often supports local artisans and small businesses. When purchasing these unique pieces, customers contribute to local economies and promote craftsmanship that celebrates traditional woodworking techniques. Each item is typically made with care and attention to detail, ensuring that it is not only functional, but also a work of art. This personal touch adds intrinsic value to the furniture and decor, making it more than just a product. It becomes a cherished piece of history. In addition to aesthetic and environmental benefits, wooden products offer health advantages. Unlike synthetic materials, high-quality wood does not off-gas harmful chemicals, contributing to better indoor air quality. This is especially important in spaces where people spend significant amounts of time, such as homes, restaurants, and conference halls. The natural properties of wood can also help regulate humidity levels, creating a more comfortable atmosphere. The investment in handcrafted wooden furniture and decor can also yield long-term savings. While the initial cost may be higher than mass-produced alternatives, the durability and timeless appeal of wooden products often lead to fewer replacements over time. This cost-effectiveness, combined with the aesthetic and environmental benefits, makes reclaimed wood furniture a smart choice for both residential and commercial spaces. For those looking to create a cohesive and stylish decor theme, incorporating wooden elements can be a game changer. Mixing and matching different wooden pieces can add depth and interest to a room, allowing for creativity and personal expression. Whether it's a bespoke wooden dining table paired with handcrafted chairs or unique wall art made from reclaimed wood, these elements can transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. Lastly, as trends in interior design continue to evolve, the demand for unique, handcrafted items is on the rise. Consumers are increasingly looking to personalize their spaces with distinctive pieces that reflect their style and values. Handcrafted wooden furniture and decor made from reclaimed wood not only meets this demand, but also tells a story of sustainability and artistry, making it a desirable choice for discerning buyers. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, handcrafted wooden furniture and decor also provide a sense of warmth and comfort that is hard to replicate with other materials. The natural textures and rich tones of wood create inviting atmospheres, making spaces feel more welcoming. Incorporating pieces like rustic coffee tables, elegant bookshelves, and cozy wooden accents can enhance the overall ambience of a room, encouraging relaxation and connection among family and friends. These elements not only serve functional purposes, but also contribute to a harmonious home environment. Moreover, investing in handcrafted wooden items is an opportunity to support artisans and sustainable practices. Each piece is often made with care and attention to detail, reflecting the passion and skill of the craftspeople behind them. By choosing reclaimed wood, consumers help reduce waste and promote responsible sourcing, making a positive impact on the environment. This conscious choice resonates with individuals who value sustainability and seek to make informed decisions about their purchases. The versatility of reclaimed wood allows for endless design possibilities, making it suitable for various styles, from rustic farmhouse to modern minimalist. Whether you're looking to create a cozy, lived-in feel or a sleek, contemporary space, there are countless ways to incorporate these unique pieces. With the right combination of textures, colors, and shapes, handcrafted wooden furniture and decor can effortlessly elevate any interior, turning it into a true reflection of your personal style and values. In conclusion, handcrafted wooden furniture and decor from reclaimed wood offers a multitude of advantages for homes, restaurants, and conference halls. From aesthetic appeal and durability to sustainability and health benefits, these products represent a thoughtful choice for enhancing any space. By investing in such items, consumers not only beautify their environments, but also contribute to a more sustainable future. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Your support means everything to us and helps us continue to create more valuable content. We love having you as part of our community, and your engagement inspires us to keep improving and providing you with even more exciting topics in the future. Thanks again for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.